Don't leave attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, especially Gaza Nation who reside on international soil, I've been asking, is the petition page still active? Yes, the petition page is still active, and I'm not sure if this is a revamped or a new petition page, but you can circle free Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. As a matter of fact, just circle any search engine, type in free Vybz Kartel petition, and it will take you straight to that page, viewers and subscribers, where you can sign the petition simply. It not ask you for no personal information. It's just a name, sign. You know what I mean? And this is definitely something that will work out in Vybz Kartel's favor. So sign the petition, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Definitely someone who is instrumental in dancehall music. And if you don't believe me, 2 albums released. Doing it for the culture. Young artists on both albums. Young females on the first album, and this album, females and man them too. Not just, we would have said taking a chance on the youth. We'd have said these youths have the talent, and Vybz Kartel is just showcasing that to the world, viewers and subscribers, that dancehall music is here, and we have been growing. Dancehall music is not stuck in the 90s, because we know it's art for international conglomerates market 90s specific dancehall music, because what the sound of music has changed with each year, viewers and subscribers. Dancehall music has adapted to the world sound, has also been an influence to that same world sound, viewers and subscribers, and we have artists that are of the same caliber, are on par with any world superstar you want to talk about. The reason why you might see album sales different for certain artists from a particular genre as opposed to another genre is because of marketing and record label contracts. Think about it. You have record labels who are already signed, are in the process of signing certain artists from certain genre, so there's strong marketing for that. Even in North America currently, sales of hip-hop are more than sales of R&B. Ask anybody that. That's just facts. Hip-hop and R&B sell more than gospel. Ask anybody. And more than jazz. Because what, those songs are not marketed as much as hip-hop and R&B songs. Listen to the commercial then. Pop, hip-hop, R&B. This is the theme song for majority of commercials on your cable television. Ask yourself the truth. Now, locally in Jamaica, there are a lot of commercials with reggae music as well, because that's a part of our culture. I would not give it up. We not give a reggae for nothing. Nobody feel like we are giving reggae. You can't get reggae. Reggae is not for sale. But dancehall music, viewers and subscribers, is the sound of the streets. If you check anybody's phone, majority of the time, depending upon their point of view culturally. But just say we are conduct a census, you would really find more young people gravitating to dancehall music as opposed to reggae music, viewers and subscribers. But reggae is recognized international while dancehall isn't. So, just speaking about that. But the petition is there, viewers and subscribers. I mean, this is definitely something good for the whole situation. Monday, yes, Monday, viewers and subscribers, will be the next date, court appearance for the process. You know what I mean? So, definitely an exciting moment. You know what I mean? Glad this is taking place. We know say local courts were not prepared to make the big decision. You know what I mean? And we have never, truth be told, we have never seen them make a decision like this. You know? People probably say, oh, just because. No, they have. This would be something that would have created a precedent. It has never really occurred. Truth be told. And we were prepared that maybe they not prepare for change them tone right now. If you notice, majority of laws that have been adjusted locally, it has been because of pressure applied from overseas. Think about it. Majority of our laws that have changed just because it gained some form of international attention, and someone from some international government said, no, but this is not the way things are being conducted right now. Look, the UN has a policy that says that you cannot do that in your country as long as you are a part of the UN. And that is how certain laws get changed here. So even the matters of a court matter, there has never been a situation of our laws that have been brought to the UN of this nature are brought to international courts in recent years. Normally, majority of our matters are handled locally, whether it be some big politician, big business, you know what I mean, whatever. It has always been handled locally. So this situation now being brought to international eyes and international ears will definitely probably mark legislation change. I don't know, maybe. It's a significant move that take place though. People might not see it as, oh, someone taking their case to the Privy Council International. No. It's something that marks a new precedence for the way law is conducted locally. As a matter of fact, for most civilians, most citizens locally on the island, they never know how a court proceeding is handled until Vybz Kartel situation was televised. People never know of the backlog at the courts and the lengthy waiting process until Vybz Kartel situation was televised. Since then, the notion on the streets is our prosecution and our lawyers not prepared for certain size cases? When it's a big case, is it that too much outside influences are at play, where them can't make a clear decision or a level-headed decision, and them can say this is based upon what the law says, not based upon what some people are saying. I can't believe that you do. Because it boils down to that these people go to the same school, eat at the same restaurants, their children attend the same prep schools. Them see each other from time to time. They're a part of the same social club. We don't want to call certain clubs name and call it in a certain nature for people start. You know what I mean? Please certain way, but yes, they are a part of the same social clubs. Let's just say it at that. So certain decisions already, we just say what? Preconceived. They would already know say at this is going to be the decision taken based upon the way we are now conducting ourselves as a government. Truth be told, must be that, because the evidence point to an acquittal, but the ruling was the opposite. Now how can the evidence point to an acquittal, but the ruling was the opposite? And then every time them tell you why what them use or what them base them decision upon, yeah, so then there was even greater speculatory evidence presented than that one where you use. Are the same thing in the trial and the same thing in the appeal. Appeal them say vice notes. And I think it was the same thing in the trial. From a phone that was tampered with. Then how can a device that you recovered that piece of information prove to be tampered with, and it is still the information that you use? We have never seen that. We have never seen that. This is third world. This is, yeah, we even say third world because we have one of the best law schools in this side of the hemisphere. So we can't even say it's third world. But we don't know. This was clearly a decision based upon appeasing people outside of the court. Clearly not based upon law. Clearly not based upon law. Remember O.J. Simpson? Yeah, just keep that in mind. Clearly not based upon law. Because under that precedent alone, the teacher would have been freed since the trial. But because other forces were at play, people are saying, watching it. It's not about proving saying do that. The job was find a way where we can use something to say this is why we say I saw it. The job was never about proving say him do it. It was about finding a type of evidence that we could use in court to say watch out. This proves say that one, and that is why we are now ruling say that is sentence. You know what I mean? That is the amount of rare we got. Give him for him do. And this is what we are used to say, alright, this proves him do. Remember, all the evidence was circumstantial. All of the DPP argument was based upon what? Either preconceived perceptions of the individual based upon songs that were recorded and released, or just speculation, plain and simple. But talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. By the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent and the Gaza representative, yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content, as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as on the platform. The like icon, drop a like on the blog for my life with your ear. Share icon is also in close proximity. Drop a like on the blog for my life with your ear and share the vlog. Yeah man, I move settings fam. I will not need no ladder and my sentiments for you and yours that will live, love and prosper until we reason again.